How to cancel Hellotalk app subscription. The first things first, all you have to do is just directly log into your Hellotalk application. And from here, just go to the Me tab and head directly to the user settings by tapping up the gear icon at the top right corner. And from here, scroll down and go to Help and tap on Feedback. Now, this is where we are trying to forward or submit a request in which we are trying to cancel our subscription. Now, all you have to do from category is payment issue, and where issue occurs, to choose on refunds and subscriptions. Now, you'll just have to input your email address, the order number, or the reference code from your subscription, and describe why would you like to cancel your subscription. If you do have any screenshot or a video posting up your subscriptions or the problems that you're trying to cancel your subscription, you can upload it by tapping up the photo icon or the camera icon right here. Now, once everything is selected and once everything is filled out, just simply tap on Submit Feedback. Now, all you have to do next is just to wait for HelloTalk customer support to get back to you because they are going to be the ones to rectify or resolve the problem for you. So that's it. That's how you troubleshoot or that's how you fix and cancel HelloTalk app subscription.